Hi friends, today's topic is First in India. First in India topic very important for all the government examination. The first in India male. The first president of Constituent Assembly Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First president of Indian Republic Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Home Minister of Independent India Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Deputy Minister of India Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First President of Indian National Congress W.C. Banerjee. First Governor in Bengal Lord Clive in 1757 to 1760. Last Governor in Bengal Warren Hastings 1772 to 1774. First Governor General of Bengal Warren Hastings 1774 to 1785. First Governor General of India Lord William Bentinck 1833 to 1835. First Indian sound film Alam Ara directed by Ardeshir Irani. First Governor General and first Viceroy of India Lord Canning 1856 to 1862. First Indian Governor General of Independent India C. Rajagopalachari 21st of June 1948 to 25th of January 1950. First Governor General of India after independence Lord Louis Mountbatten 15th August 1947 to 20th of June 1948. First Indian ICS officer Satyendranath Tagore. First Indian cosmonaut Rakesh Sharma. First Indian to pass ICS Indian Civil Services Surendranath Banerjee. First Indian Governor General of Independent India C. Rajagopalachari. First Indian to swim across the English Channel Mihir Sen. Best model of the world Siddharth Shukla in 2005. First Indian Mr. International Aryan Vaid in 2000. First person to make printing press popular in India James Hickey. First Indian Mr. Universe Montosh Roy in 1951. First temporary president of the Constituent Assembly Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. First Indian Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. First Indian to get Jnanpith Award S. Shankar Kurup. First post office opened in India Kolkata in 1727. First Prime Minister of Independent India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First American President to visit India Dwight D. Eisenhower 1959. First Indian to get Bharat Ratna Award Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. First Indian Judge of the International Court of Justice Dr. Narendra Singh. First scientist of Indian origin to get Nobel Prize in Chemistry Venkata Raman Ramakrishnan. First British Prime Minister to visit India Orland Macmillan. First Field Marshal General S.F. Manekshaw. First Indian pilot J.R.D. Tata in 1929. First Indian recipient of Nobel Prize in Economics Dr. Amartya Sen. First Indian to win Palk Strait Ocean Swimming Contest Vidyanath Nath. India's first university Nalanda University. First Speaker of Lok Sabha G.V. Mavlankar 1952 to 1957. First sportsperson to get Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar. First male cricketer to score double 100 in ODI Sachin Tendulkar. First Muslim President India Republic Dr. Zakir Hussain. First President of India to die in office Dr. Zakir Hussain. First scientist of Indian origin to get Nobel Prize in field of medical science Dr. Hargobind Khurana. First Chief of Army Staff. First Chief of Army Staff General M. Rajendra Singh. First Chief of Naval Staff of India Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. First election First Education Minister of Independent India Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. First Vice President of Independent India Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. First Chief of Air Staff Air Marshal Sir Thomas Elmhirst. First Indian Air Chief of India Air Marshal S. Mukherjee. First foreign recipient of Bharat Ratna Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. First Asian Games organized Delhi in 1951. First Indian missile Prithvi. First atomic submarine of India INS Chakra. First Indian player who hits 200 sixes on one international cricket day international cricket Mahendra Singh Dhoni 19 January 2017. Means first Indian player who hits 200 sixes on one day international cricket Mahendra Singh Dhoni 19 January 2017. First large scale atomic reactor of India Apsara 1956. First person to get Paramveer Chakra Major Somnath Sharma. First Army Institute of Information Technology founded Hyderabad. First Indian submarine IS Kalvari. First aircraft carrier Indian ship INS Vikrant. First Indian scientist to get Nobel Prize. C.V. Raman in physics. First Indian to win Stalin Award. Saifuddin Kichlu. First Muslim president of Indian National Congress. Badruddin Tayyibji. India's first election commission. Sukumar Sen. First scientist of Indian origin to win Nobel Prize in physics. Subramaniam Chandrasekharan. Indian first minister to resign from Union cabinet. Syama Prasad Mukherjee in 1950. First medium range missile Agni. First Chinese pilgrim to visit India, Fahian. India's first nuclear center, Tarapur. First British to visit India, Hawkins. First e-business newspaper of India, Financial Express. First Indian chess male player, Vishwanath Anand. First scientist of Indian origin to win Nobel Prize in Physics, Subramaniam Chandrasekharan. First officer of the Indian Air Force to be promoted to 5-star rank, Arjun Singh. First Indian to win Magsaysay Award, Ashar Bino Bhabhe in 1958. India's first Open University, Andhra Pradesh Open University. First Chief Justice of India, Justice Jiralal J.K. Khanna. India's first Lok Sabha member to election with a record maximum number of votes, P.V. Narasimha Rao. First Indian to climb Mount Everest without oxygen cylinder, Sherpa Fudaroji. First Indian to reach Antarctica, Lieutenant Ram Charan in 1960. First test tube baby of India, Indra Baby Harsha. First Law Minister of India, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. First Indian author to get Anderson Award, Ruxin Bond. First Indian to win World Billiards Trophy, Wilson Jones. First Indian born to get Nobel Prize in Peace, Kailash Satyarthi. First Indian cricketer to score triple 100 in test matches, Brinder Sehwag. First man to climb Mount Everest twice, Nawang Gombu. First Indian to be Vice Chairman of Bank for International Settlements, Raghuram Rajan. First Indian to reach the South Pole, Colonel J.K. Bajaj. First Indian recipient of Oscar Award, Bhanu Atithya, 1983. First Indian Prime Minister to resign from office, Morarji Desai. First Indian space tourist, Santosh Garg Kulengara. First Indian win Nishane Pakistan, Morarji Desai in 1990. First Indian won Oscar for Lifetime Achievement Award, Satyajit Ray. First person to submit the proposal of Indian independence in a Congress session, Hasrat Mohani. Then first in India female, India's first woman Prime Minister, Srimati Indira Gandhi. First Indian woman to get Bharat Ratna, Srimati Indira Gandhi. First Indian Prime Minister to lose election, Srimati Indira Gandhi. India's first woman President, Srimati Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. India's first woman governor, Sarojini Naidu. First Indian woman president to INS Congress, Sarojini Naidu, 1925. First woman judge of the Supreme Court, Meera Shahi Fatima Bibi. India's first international teen princess, Radha Patek in 1974. India's first woman IPS officer, Kiran Bedi. The first woman to be appointed the Speaker of Lok Sabha member. The first woman to be appointed the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Mrs. Rima Kumar. Mrs. Meera Kumar. First woman president of INSC, Annie Besant. India's first woman ruler on Delhi throne, Razia Sultan. First Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest, Bichendri Pal. First Indian woman airline pilot, Durga Banerjee. First woman musician to get Bharat Ratna, MS Subbulakshmi. First Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest twice, Santosh Yadav. The first woman to be appointed Chief Justice of State High Court, Justice Leela Seth. First woman to get Ashok Chakra, Nirja Bhangout. First woman to Chief Minister of State, Sucheta Kripalani, Uttar Pradesh. First woman Union Minister, Rajkumari Amrita Kaur. First woman to get Jnanpith Award, Asa Purna Devi. The first Indian woman to become Miss Universe, Smita Sen. First Indian woman to win gold in Asian Games, Kamaljeet Sindhu. First Indian woman to win a Booker Prize, Arundhati Roy. First Indian woman to win WTA title, Sania Mirza. First Indian woman to get the Nobel Prize, Mother Teresa in 1979. first Indian woman ambassador at United Nations, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, first Indian woman to swim across the English Channel, Aarti Shah Gupta, first Indian woman to become Miss India Worldwide, Kamrinder Kaur Barik in 1994, the first Indian woman to join the Territorial Army as a Jawan, Shanti Tinga,